The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Dennis, good morning. Fellas, can I get a sound check, please? Thank you, Deepak. Guys, good morning. Very good morning to you. Today is Tuesday, March 21st. Today is day one of FOMC, and in my opinion, tomorrow the news announcement may be the biggest FOMC that we've ever seen. Do they cut, pause, or continue to raise to fight inflation? Consequently, I have been running bots this morning in Sim. I did not attach an account to my bots this morning, nor will I do that tomorrow morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Morning, Tim. Guys, Ray, Nolan, everybody that I've missed, Barry, Earl, good morning, guys. Whenever we have major economic news and the markets become unpredictable, I generally will not run or attach an account to my bots. So I do run them in Sim, and I will track them and of course, still show the trades today. But just to go over, ES is currently down $150 on two trades. Gave a short here at 657, a second signal, which reversed into the long. This is the same trade and went to target. Again, I only trade one contract, so it's down $150. Crude oil has not taken a trade today. NASDAQ, which is not currently in a trade, is up $955. It's taken two trades. Short here at 646 for a nice winner. And then a long here with a big runner, which this entered the trade at 734 and didn't get taken out until 773. So almost, 40 handles? But NASDAQ is up 955 this morning. YM just got target 1. I don't know what YM is doing. YM is going to be, let's see. We got a long with a decent runner. We've got a failed short that reversed into a long. I would say YM is slightly positive. We'll see what we get at the conclusion of this trade. And gold had a failed short, a failed long, and now is in a short. Gold, last I looked, was down $240, pending the outcome of this trade. I expect gold to be fairly flat today. Again, if you guys are newer with the bot or you're here on trial and you're contemplating the bot, common sense has to come into play. And one of the things that I talk about when I do Saturday education is you have to use common sense, right? So we know that today and tomorrow, of course, the news announcement tomorrow is FOMC. Morning, Amin. Shock, good morning. And we know that whatever they do is going to affect the dollar, which will in turn affect gold. So if you're running a gold bot, you can assume that the gold bot will be fairly flat and may get you a winning trade or two, but it will probably chop around. Okay? For those of you guys that are members, this probably won't be all that important. But for those of you that are newer with the bot, and I mean over the last, let's say 6 weeks, those of you that are contemplating purchasing the bot, I am redoing all of the education videos. I will not be doing those on Saturday, or I will not, which is how I've typically done the education, which is Saturday. I will be doing the videos myself and replacing all of the videos so that they are 100% up to date. Yesterday, we started out with a losing trade and finished up nicely. Order flow. I finished up over $1,000 in that account. after starting out down 500 and change. Markets picked up a little bit. We were able to trade well around that kind of sloppy level to level technical trading. I expect today to be more of the same. I would think and would expect that any pops will be sold, any drops will be bought. I do not expect the market to range very wide today. Now, coming into the market, NASDAQ is up 94 currently. ES is up 35. YM is up 290. EMD, Russell are up. Gold is off 13 bucks. Much of that was done in the overnight, and I'll show you on the charts. Equities are green across the board. Nvidia's up another $3. Just amazing. Tesla's up 359. Goldman Sachs up $5.50. Meta's up $5. MasterCard's up 3. I mean, there's some big movers today. Let me see what Apple's doing. Apple's up, it's flat, 16 cents. But it's going to be hard to sell off with everything green, and I don't think we do sell off. I think we want to buy pullbacks today, and we want to be long. I don't think anyone's going short. There's great speculation that not only will he not raise rates tomorrow, 1/4 of a point, there is speculation that he may actually cut tomorrow. So we'll see what we get today, guys. I caution you and urge you to trade conservatively. Good morning, Albert. I encourage you, if you're going to trade, whether it's with the bot or whether it's order flow suggestions that I offer, whether you're trading your own money or you're trading a Combine account, especially if you're trading a PA account, I would encourage you to trade small. All right, let's get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Ryan, nobody can see the chat but me. There were no important announcements. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There is your disclaimer. NASDAQ got target. If you stayed with it, 78, 76, 77 next target, and then 84. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, 300, 250 to 300. I haven't even looked at a PA account yet today. I did yesterday in the 1PA account, I did 2,300. They're going to pay. They're going to pay me now. Lagarde is speaking. Lagarde is speaking. Gold's just putzing around. With Christine Lagarde speaking. No. No, I have not, Wayne. Where the hell you been? Have you been in the room? You have? Not even a good morning. Okay, that's cool. I see how it is. I'm starting to feel like Tiger Woods' ex-girlfriend. No. There we go. All right. I took one off, guys. I'm holding one. I'm holding one. I'm really shocked we went as high as we did. Small sellers here. Keep coming. All right. Flat. Flat. You're welcome, Mimi. Gold is short on the bot. Gold is short. Now we're pushing up again. This could be the next push. I'm going to take the long right here. Hang on. I'm looking for the long now, guys. Small sellers. Holding 800. They're buying them back. All right, I hit the long at 5. That's where I shorted. Target number 1, I'm going to try for 13. So call it 12, target 1. Come on, push. Push. I need a new 30 range candle here. Come on. Give me 13. Let's go. I'll probably kill this trade in a second here, fellas, if this doesn't pop up. We have buyers, but they're small. 45, 50, 48. There. All right, 13 target hit from 04. I'm on the close. Come on, hold this. There we go. Here comes new day high. Come on. We're going to have some resistance at 17.5. That's another target. So let's try to get a new day high at 19. And I'm flat. We're going up though, fellas. We're going up. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Let me just give it a minute here. Couple trades, couple winners. Huge gap up. Huge. Huge. It's huge. We get a pullback on that sucker. It's going to be nice. Okay, here's our pullback. Lower high on that press. Lower high. Didn't get to 17. That's the next resistance. If we can break out above this 25, that doesn't go anywhere. We got a long ways to go. 2,400 buyers. So the first, I really have nowhere to get in unless we pull back to at least 91. And I would try that. 91. So let's call it 93. This is the next long here, this up move right here. 03. I'd rather get the damn pullback, but you can take it at 91. I mean 03. So it would be an 03 long or a 93 long. It's really a 91, but this looks like it's all right. So target number 1 is 08. I'll add in at that 91. It's hovering here. Come on. Guys, we have 60 sellers. I mean, unless they're going to blow this thing, it's 80 sellers. We could come back to 78. We could come back as far as 78. Next 10-minute bar is a minute and change. If this is going to be a trend day up, this is the area we really want to hold. Right here. Okay, I've got 2 on. This has got to hold here. Come on, fire it up. Got to come back through 95 pretty quickly, or this pushes all the way back down to 78. I'm holding 2. Come on, let's go. Ten seconds to the next 5-minute bar. I don't like that we're not pushing up. Small-ish sellers here. Here we go. Let's go from here back up to 11. Come on. Let's get back up there. Let's go. We're fighting that former hourly trend line. Got to get above 92. 92 is the key. Small sellers here. Small buyers. Looks like we want 78. Yeah. This is as far as I go with it right here. 82. Come on, buyers. Come on. Let's go, Oompa Loompa. New candle. Come on. It's pushing that damn trend line. If this thing can clear 94, 95, it's going to rock. 94, 95. Got buyers. They're small, but we have buyers, net buyers. $94, $95, and this goes. There's 94. A little bit more. It's through that trend line. Come on, big fella. Be the man. Let's go. Buyers back in. Initial resistance is 96. We have some 96, 97. They're going to have to bid through that. Come on. Pushing through a resistance zone on a 3-minute. Faded that zone. 350 buyers in here on the 3-minute bar. Not now, Jeff. Still have buyers, 350. This is free to go in a minute and 2 seconds. 1 minute from now, if it gold got target on the bot. Gold's up $90 now. Just got this target. Come on, let's go, NASDAQ. Lost buyers. Lower high. Didn't get target. Damn you. Those hourly pivots are killing us. This is where I kill it, guys. 25 seconds. We're hanging in there. Gave some money. Didn't give me target. I hold for targets. Got to get back above that 91, 92 area again. There's 91, 92. This is it. 2,500 net buyers, and we're not going anywhere. God dang it. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Get above 98 again. That's the next real key, 98. I'll be out here, guys. I'm out. 78.50 is where it's coming. No, maybe not. This looks like SPX. We're going up. God damn it. I'm taking it long again, guys, on the next candle above that trend line. SPX is Bull flag. Get above this. Nope. I actually have a 16 target. Come on, what are you doing? 15 minutes into this. That's my long entry. It's going to be 99. I've got nothing that's in shorts. I mean, not even close. I'd have been even on that last trade. The real stop on this, guys, is 68. No bot trades. The only bot I don't have on is NASDAQ because it's hit its daily goal. It's over 500 bucks. We're just chopping around in this small area, fellas. We're holding this support. There's YM is now long in the bot. All right, this ES shorted and got target quickly. 63 hourly support held, bottom of the 2-minute cloud. Was too fast to move. I'm still watching the long. $500 sellers in this bar. I still think we're going up. And when it breaks, it's going to break hard. I'll be long 95. Crude is at the top. Crude looks like it's going to push higher yet. Probably to 69.75. Gold has some support at that 55 level. SPX looks like it wants to go. I would take, if SPX pulled back to this 82, I would probably take calls. "20 minutes into the day and we've gone nowhere. 20 minutes. Yellen speaking at 10. Yeah, new home sales at 10. Here we go. This could be the break, fellas. Still got to get above 97. I could be a little early on this trade. Small buyers back in. Yeah, home sales. It's not a big. Yellen's more worrisome than home sales. Out on the YM. We're not getting any push on ES. I don't see any block buys. Looking for 4.2 million, looking up from 4 million. 4.2 million up from 4 million. And we'll get new hourly candles here. If the hourly candle can close above 94, this could be big. Got buyers, 450 buyers. Boy, SPX looks like it's on the cusp of blowing out. Okay, long. That'll come through 97 and then 03. First target, 08. So let's call it 7. Target 1 is 7. Ton of 700 buyers, guys. Good God. I mean, they're buying them. We're back up to 2,700 net buyers. I can get you ticks if you guys want to take ticks. This thing does not want to run. There we go. Took the previous bar, but we need this bar here at 3.5. We're setting up to come back down, though. Come on, give me that 7. Come on, dog. We're setting up for a failure or a roll. I can get you money. I can't get target yet. Come on, pop it. There we go. Still no. Still no go. 4. Come on, this should get 10. 975. I'm almost 3 handles ahead of that resistance at the 95 area. Let's go. Are you jacking me or what? We got 575. Missed by 5 ticks so far. If this breaks out above 16, this could be massive. I'm hoping to get out of 1 and hang on to 1. Still no. 575 again. No, there it is. 6.5. You dog. Got it. 7. Geesh. Now 21. Holding 1. Right to resistance. Held hourly. Got to get above that 8, half 9. All right, we're pushing through that resistance. We have resistance here at 10 half, but a break above that. And I think we can get that 35 to 45 zone. News in a minute and a half. Okay, there it is. SPX broke out of that bull flag. There's a bot trade somewhere. YM. There we go, guys. Got to get that day high. 1 tick shy. Come on. There it is. New day high. There it is. Back. Okay, so now we traded into that hourly resistance at 17 half, and we've got a zone here up to 24. We need to clear this 17 half. Need to clear that 17 half. Anybody have runners on still? Anybody? There we go. Just blew up. Significant beat on February home sales. Anybody have runners on? Anybody have a runner? Okay, fellas. That's one target here, 35, but 43, I think, does her. So I'm going to put it at 46, just above this major resistance here at 43.25. See if we can get another 12 handles out of it, make it close to $1,000 runner. I told you guys. I told you, Deepak, if you listened, bull flag. I'd like to get these last 10 handles, make it almost $1,000 runner. But we're pushing resistance here. We got 2 standard deviations plus 36.5. So we're pushing the second standard deviation at 38. This may be all she wrote. My hand's pulling back. Money's out. Money's out. All righty, fellas. All righty. Everybody should be good. Now, again, if you're trading as I'm demonstrating, you're good. If you're doing something different, you have different results. So when I asked who had a runner, most everybody said they were out. You're welcome, Doug. Nice trade. All right, so where would we want to get long again? We could try the 15 pullback. 15. And below that, 8 on an ad. So there's 15, and the ad would be 8. Looks like it wants to. And if that 8 doesn't hold, Fubar Central. Come on, let's get back up above 15, half 16. Come on. Damn, that thing spiked down quickly. Are you kidding me? Seriously? You kidding me? Neither zone held. Come on. Do we have Yellen speaking? Got me. Got me. You son of a bitch. For real. All right. ES on the bot. Yeah, Yellen's talking now. This is back into support right here anyways. Target filled here. ES on the bot is now even on the day. And YM on the bot has a runner going up 180 bucks. What in the hell could she be saying? And ECB? Dang, here comes VWAP, it looks like, fellas. 83 is resistance. VWAP's been pulled up as well. We're setting up to roll over through VWAP. Gold's breaking down hard. Crude held the trend line at 91 and bounced. And NASDAQ is just still 2,200 buyers. I still have us in longs, fellas. I still have us in longs. I don't have us in shorts. $1,100 sellers came in that last 3-minute block. All right, Brett. Now we're just sitting. YM is out on that trade. It's down 160 bucks on the YM bot. Gold is green. ES is flat. Crude hasn't taken a trade all day. Watch for a break below 78. We had buyers at 78. New 3-minute candle. Got it. If it comes down through 80, it probably trades 278. This thing could go right back to 810. 45 seconds, new bar. Got buyers again. If it comes down through 80, that's the first area of support. This could pop back. There's nothing between 80 and 815. 80 and 815. This could go right back to 815. Yeah, I'm not even thinking downside for Julio. Scumbag, for real. No idea what that was, unless Yellen said something. I have no idea. Opening range high is 17.5. Opening range low is 63. Right at VWAP. ES short on the bot. This is boring as hell. Missed target. Missed target by literally a tick. 73.75. Yep, one tick. Missed target by a tick. Got it now. Now let's see if we can get a breakdown. Yellen still speaking. Come on, break below VWAP. If we can get a clear through VWAP with sellers, this could be, got a big seller here, block sale, big seller at 67. There it goes. We're breaking the opening range low. Held VWAP. We're down to 1,500 net buyers. Crude finally took a trade. Crude is short on the bot. Not flat. We left no sellers on the bottom. 2 minutes left in the bar. I'm going to try this short again. This could pop up to 86, which is where I'd add in. Doesn't want to do squat. Come on. I mean, I'm missing first targets by ticks. What the holy hell? Got it. Here comes the opening range low again. And I've just got a runner out of the way. Got to get down through back below VWAP, fellas. If we break through VWAP, this could get, well, 50 is yesterday's high. I would think we get to 50 and then bounce. I mean, she's dancing right on the cusp. Flat again. Still can't get that runner. 86 is what I'd sell. We'll call it 85. Unless we get a clean break of VWAP. We need next candle. Next 10-minute bar is coming up. $62 breaks, we get 54. All right, new 10-minute bar. Watch for the short. Nice job, Chris. This holy hell sucks. Yelling. She's screwing up this market, fellas, at the moment. I don't know when she's done speaking. I'm going to try a short at 77 on a pullback, so call it 76. I'm going to short here anyways. So I shorted, and I'll add in. This has to break below 62, and we get 54. Holding this trend line. It's just chop, guys. It's all chop with Yellen speaking. Notice we have no imbalances, no block trades, nothing. There we go. Now we got our below VWAP and opening range low. 50 is going to be a target. 50 is a target. Come on, fail VWAP. Fail here. And then 45 is where I'll come out. So call it 46. Come on, just die. Don't go back above VWAP. Come on, sellers. You got them on the run. Seriously. There we go. Push. Push. There's sellers. So we held yesterday's high. Got 47. I have a target at 43, and I'm above it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Poquito más. Come on. Come on. Who's buying this crap? I'm on the close. Just die, will you please? Give me my target. Got it. You guys good? It's coming down further, fellas. All right. What we were playing with that son of a gun. Gold took this long, got target, now up 290 on gold. YM still at the same, no trade. And crude got target up 200. And the ES is up 75. NASDAQ is up 955. Bots are having a nice day. Anybody take that trade and hold that trade? I couldn't get the pullback. I had to take the break down. I would have added in on the pullback. ES probably comes back to 4,000 would be my guess. Okay, guys. Nice job, Peter. All right. Well, from red to green 500 to down $1,000 to up 182. Not an easy sled. Well, it didn't get there yet. It got 39.50. It got my blue line to the tick. That was your entry. Look at the support, Mimi. What do you? I don't. Again, I have no idea what you see or how you draw your lines, but look at this. There's your 38. I don't think I'd want to be long. They're selling these sons of guns two-fisted. ES is headed back to 4,000. All right, this is some support here on SPY. See if it holds. SPX has a long way down, 39.55. I'm looking for another short. I'll try it at 51, 52. It's top of the candle. I'm trying to scalp this candle. That's it. You're not going to give me the target? Really? Yes, you are. Flat. Another scalp here, right here, 51. May not get it. Next 10-minute bar. Oh, bottom of the hour coming. Close that. Bottom of the hour in 30 seconds. Let's see what we get. SPY's held support. So we're pulling everything lower. We really need a little bit lower of a move to set up the longs for this afternoon. So you got the longs trapped now. There's some support here. I'm going to try this long. I have some support here. Target filled. We really need a pullback a little deeper. Ideally, we get a pullback down to 717, and that'll set up the longs. So by that, I mean, my order flow guy should know this. We pulled support up, right? That's what led me to think we were probably going to flip up here, right? When this had moved all the way up. The 95 is now getting pulled down. I mean, the 68. The 95, not so much yet. But what we need is VWAP probably get sucked down another 20, 15 handles. And in order to do that, we're still set up for further shorts. This is where I'd like to see us get to at least 719. And that should pull VWAP far enough. Thank you, Steve. Kathy Woods bashing the Fed. Of course she is. She's down like what, 80% this year? It's the Fed's fault. It's the Fed's fault. Not that she is the epitome of buy high and sell low. I mean, everything she buys at highs and then sells when they get blasted. I can't stand her. I can't stand it when people pretend to be smarter than they are. If you're not so bright, keep your mouth shut. I mean, if you're not a great investor, you shouldn't go around touting your investment strategies. Just my opinion. I mean, listen, everybody's a genius when the market is going parabolic. Interest rates are at zero. I mean, she could be she may be a billionaire, but listen, being a billionaire doesn't, anybody can get lucky, anybody can make money. If when I was a broker, we used to say it all the time. Don't confuse a bull market with genius. Show me somebody that can make money in this market. And I don't know that there's any hedge funds doing it. I don't follow any. But if you can make money in a down market, All right. Then, everybody made money when the market went parabolic. There's no one that didn't. If we're going to get a trade, guys, we've got to come back through the opening range low and VWAP, and we could get a trade. Ideally, we get a pullback a little deeper. I like this short down to 33 from here. So let's see if we can push up. Here's your scalp coming right here, 49.50. There's your scalp if you want to try a scalp. No, I'm too late. I'm trying to explain the trade to you. Missed it again. There it is, 49.50. It's just a simple. Anybody have any questions, guys? Yeah, there's the break. All right. 1,400 net buyers. We'd probably want to buy a pullback to 47. Sam, I stepped away. I said I'll be right back. So it's not your sound. I wasn't here. Yeah. Sorry, guys. There's another little dink and dunk scalp trying right here. 56 if you want to try. Whoop. 56. Nope. You want to buy 47. Or I'm going to buy 47. Did that hit 47? All right, long 47. You best bounce. You best find some buyers here, big fella. Let's go, bounce. You rat bag. Support here at 39 as well. Now it's got to pull back up through 47. There we go. Come on, go give me target. Get some money. Get some money. Get some money. I'm on the close. I'm on the close. Can't push. I'm out. I'm flat. May still get target. I'm flat. Yes. Nothing. We're fairly quiet, guys. $1,300 buyers. I'm still thinking we're going to get a short. But let me take a look at order flow. What I want to see are the levels getting sucked in. Yeah, all right. I'm going to try along with the stack by the imbalance above 63.50 now. So it's a 64 long. Got to come back through VWAP. If you're aggressive, you can probably take it long here, 59.60, if you're aggressive. If we get through 64, our small area problem area is 71. So we're trading up into a little bit of resistance, but we have higher lows here. If we get the trigger, we'll have the higher high above VWAP. SPY starting to move higher. SPX bid 39.84. I think you can buy 39.90 calls SPX. 39.90 SPX. Yeah, 88's a target. Yeah, we're back above VWAP on the ES. About 39.80. Okay. I don't think I can get just now when I said it. Yeah, I don't think I can get in that quick in 80s. Let me just see. I'll buy them too. Today's the 21st, right? Yeah. 39. Yeah. All right. I got them at 1270. Guys, you see my entry. That's where I'll be long. If we go, we go. We should go. Here it comes. Here it comes. No, not yet. Delta's hanging out. Look at the last 3 5-minute bars. Yeah, I responded to you. I responded to your email this morning, Deepak. Did you see it? Okay. We're having a hard time, guys, with the 64 VWAP. If we break above it, I think we start a fairly decent move. We've pulled everything down, right? We've worked off overbought on the small time frames. I mean, Deepak, I got a stupid target for SPX. How about 40.21? Didn't trigger. We're consolidating here below VWAP. Anybody have any questions, guys? One last trade to target. All right, and 5-minute support is that same 39.40. All right, added it in on the small time frame, and now it's going to bust. Is that what you're telling me? You rat dog. Come on, bounce. Give me 43.50. I'll take some off at 47. Oh, out. You got to be shooting me, man. Every time I do, every time. YM on the bot. Got target 1. See if we can get a runner. Yeah, that's all right. I'm not stressing it. 75 is support. I mean, this is, I don't know if, what's her name speaking? We could stop here at 19. 16.75 looks like some decent support. NASDAQ on the 10-minute held the cloud. If it breaks below 709, it's going to get maybe 690. There's another scalp. God dang it. Okie dokie. This trade all the way back to 750. I have a first target at 50. I'm going to buy some here, 40, and I have a target at 50. It's got to push up through the 34. A little bit of 5-minute resistance here. Come on. We traded down to where I wanted to trade. At 17, if you guys remember from long ago, that was, in my opinion, that's the place we wanted to be long for a move back up. Got to get back above this 39, and we get 46, and we trade probably back to 63. This is the problem here, 60 to 63. $360.70 buyers here, and we're not going anywhere. 5 sellers in this freaking block, literally 13 now in a 3-minute bar. 5 minutes, 350 green with a sequential decline. I have no reason to be short. Down here. It's 11:04. 125 sellers in a 3-minute bar. We lost buyers in the 5-minute. The 3-minute bar has net sellers. New 5-minute bar. Come on, let's go, dog. You mother hooker. Come on. Inside bar in this current 5-minute. There we go, buyers. Come on, got to get through here. There it goes. Come on. There's no reason. The resistance is 39. If we can clear 40, 41, bots are all done trading, by the way. It's after 11. If we can clear 40, 41, this is moving up to 50 and then 56, which would be my final target. But we got to clear 40, 41, fellas. I'm out. All right, I'm down 393 on the day. That's it for me. I can live with a $400 day. Oh, you stinking little no good, dirty, rotten. All right, fellas. This is going to go. This was that 16 or 17 was where we wanted to be long, if you guys remember early on in the session when I said we need a pullback to start the up move again. All right, there it is. ES spot finished up $75. Remember, it's a one contract trade only. Crude bot finished up 250. NASDAQ bot up 955. YM bot down $65. And gold up 290. So you've got, call it 300, 540 with crude, 540. Let's call ES and YM a wash, 540. And 1,000, call it 500, about $1,400 on the bots today. Not bad for a day before FOMC. I told you we're going up. This is where I think the up move starts. I killed the trade. And 50 is probably the next target. We're there now, 48, 49. And then 57. Anybody have any questions, guys? Any questions? All right, guys. 1 o'clock, guys. I'll see you in 2 hours. Trial members, I will see tomorrow at 8 a.m. Remember, it is FOMC tomorrow. You may not wish to run live accounts tomorrow in the morning. It's your prerogative. The bots actually performed far better than I thought they would or historically do on FOMC. Volatility is good, but we're not holding levels. There's no rhyme or reason for some of the levels that, we either hold or do not hold. We're going through bigger time frame levels and then holding small time frame levels. But we did hold that one level 17, which is where I wanted to be long. That would have been a nice trade. I wasn't paying attention to it. I was looking at charts.